If Bedford Street is part of your daily commute, it's likely you've noticed construction on one particular house over the past year. That house lies on 117 South Bedford Street and is one of 14 houses given to the town by the U.S. military. Thanks to Burlington's well-known affordable housing program, it's now been restored better than its original standing. I caught up once again with Selectman Mike Runyon to talk about the newly restored home and to recap the property's history.
This whole development along South Bedford Street here, this is all former military housing from the 1960s. They abandoned the property in the late 1980s and offered the homes to the town at a very reasonable cost. So there's 12 or 13 of them here, and this was really one of the first steps in the town of Burlington creating affordable housing for residents of town. And it's been very successful. Most of the homes here on South Bedford Street are still occupied some 25 years later from the original purchasers.
I have seen some of the picture on Zillow and how bad the property was and how wonderfully it has been restored. I think the family who moves in here is going to be one lucky family who's going to have the best time of their life.
Many hours were put into the revival of this beautiful home, and it would not have been done without a team of dedicated volunteers.
Mike himself put a volunteer hours, 100, 200, 500 hours, but there was a whole team who was a part of this wonderful process of rebuilding this house.
The house is actually better than new right now. It's a 3-bedroom, first-time home buyer property. Very rarely are they available here in Burlington. Just the fact that we're able to offer this for a family is really kind of unique, but we hope to be able to offer more of that family-style housing in the near future.
With a brand new home comes some brand new perks that will grab the attention of a young family wanting to settle in Burlington.
Brand new appliances, brand new building. I think for next 30 years they would not have to worry about it. Brand new heating systems. They are going to be the lucky one, and they're going to enjoy the beautiful house.
And in addition to this newly restored home, Selectman Runyon says there are more exciting plans to come with the town's affordable housing program.
We've contracted with Metropolitan Area Planning Council to conduct a comprehensive housing needs assessment for us here in Burlington, something we've never had done before. And so we think we'll find some interesting results, and that will help guide us in the future as development proposals come forward.
From the newly restored home on 117 South Bedford Street, this is John Vias for B News Weekly.